Good morning, students. Today we will see type 3 of double integration, which is change of order of integration. What is meant by change is if the limits are given in terms of x, then change them to y, and if the limits are given in terms of y, then change them to x. Okay, see, if the limits are given in terms of x, change them in terms of y and vice versa. Okay, now I will explain this or elaborate this with the example. What is the example? Evaluate integration 0 to 1 4y to 4 e raised to x square dx dy. Okay, now you can see here limits are in terms of y, right? Limits are in terms of y, that means we need to integrate first with respect to x. Okay, but as you can see here, e raised to x square is quite difficult to integrate, right? So what we need to do here, we need to change these limits in terms of y to limits in terms of x. Okay, so see, let us first consider given integration to be, let y is equal to y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1, and these are x is equal to 4y to x is equal to 4 e raised to x square dx dy. Now you can see e raised to x square is quite difficult to integrate. So what we will do first, draw these curves. See, limits are given means what? You have been given the curves, right? Limits are not given means curve will be given. If the limits are given means curve is given in terms of limits. So draw first, yes, x is equal to 4y, x equal to 4, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Okay, so let us draw this. Now see, x is equal to 4 means it is line parallel to y-axis at distance 4. So it is x is equal to 4. Next, y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means x-axis. Okay. Next, y is equal to 1 means it is a line at distance 1. Okay. Now the remaining is x is equal to 4y, which is a straight line passing through origin. Okay, so first we need to find the points. Okay, so it passes through origin as x is 0, then y is also 0. Now put x equal to 4. So what is y? Y is 1 means when x is 4, y is 1 means this point is 4 1. Okay, and this point is 0 0. So this is the line x is equal to 4y means this is the area over which we need to integrate. Okay, now what are the given limits? X is equal to 4y to x is equal to 4. Limits are given in terms of y means these are limits of x, means originally what horizontal strip is given. See, you can see if we draw here a horizontal strip, what will be the limits? X is equal to 4y is the lower limit and x is equal to 4 is the upper limit. Y equal to 0 is the lower limit and y equal to 1 is the upper limit of y. But what we need to change? We need to draw a vertical strip. Means changing order of integration is nothing but the change of strip. If horizontal strip is given, we need to change it to vertical strip and vice versa. Okay, so draw this. Okay, now see, x is equal to 4y means what? Y is equal to x by 4. Correct? X is 4y means y is equal to x by 4. So change the limits. Limits of y are y equal to 0 to y is equal to x by 4, and limits of x. What is the limits of this strip will start moving from this point, that is from x is equal to 0, and it will move, so it will move from here to this line, that is x is equal to 4. So this is how we have changed limits in terms of y to limits in terms of x. Okay, so next integration or our new integration will become, yes, write down constant limit first. X is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x by 4, e raised to x square dx dy. Now since the limits are in terms of x, it is 0 to 4, 0 to x by 4, e raised to x square dx dy. Limits are in terms of x, so integrate with respect to y first. Means what? 0 to 4 as it is, dx and e raised to x square as it is. What is the integration of dy? Y. And limits are 0 to x by 4. Now substitute the upper limit. This is as it is. What is upper limit? X by 4. And what is lower limit? 0 into e raised to x square dx. Okay. Now this is equal to 0 to 4. Now see, we cannot directly integrate this. Okay, so we need to substitute x square equal to t. So x square equal to t means what is derivative of x square? 2x. So we need 2x here, so adjust that 2x. So it will become 2x upon 8 into e raised to x square dx, that is 1 by 8, 0 to 4, 2x e raised to x square dx. Now put x square equal to t, then 2x dx is dt. And for the limits, when x is 0, t is also 0. When x is 4, t is 2. So this integration becomes 1 by 8, 0 to 2, e raised to t dt. Sorry, see here, x square equal to t. So when x is 4, t is 16. Okay, e raised to t. So this becomes 1 by 8. Now what is the integration of e raised to t? E raised to t. Limits from 0 to 16. 1 by 8. Substitute upper limit, e raised to 16 minus e raised to 0. That is 1 by 8, e raised to 16 minus 1. E raised to 0 is 1. So this is the answer.